What is going on, Golden family? Today we're installing two new products that I'm super excited about, but before I do that, let me show you the brand new wheels I installed on the Golden Tesla 2.0. So if you remember a couple days ago, I still had the stock OEM performance wheels. I've had them for a long time and I was looking for wheels that I think would look good with the design. And take a look at these. These are the 20-inch staggered Forgiato wheels. They look absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think about them, but I am super stoked. And they actually look different if you take those covers off. But before I show you guys what the wheels look like without those covers, I have to fix this whole situation with the charger. I've had this going on for way too long and I have the perfect product for it. Take a look at this product. If you can't tell what it is, you'll be surprised. I'm a big Marvel fan, and this is a Kickstarter project that I found where you can plug your charger into the bottom and it looks like Thor's hammer. So this, you install on the wall, and then you use the charger to roll it around this indent right here, and then you plug it at the bottom and it literally looks like Thor's hammer. Super fun way to organize your charger. Let's try it out. The installation of this product is extremely easy. All it comes with is this bracket that you install on the wall. Then you just have to slide the hammer into the bracket, and there you have it. Then you have Thor's hammer on your wall. Moment of truth, let's install the hammer on the wall. As you can tell, I dropped a screw and I couldn't find it anymore, so I had to just change it up. It's literally that easy. You put it on the bracket, slide it in, and there you go. You've got the Thor's hammer on your wall, ready for the charger. I forgot one last step. It comes with these tiny little screws that you put on the side here so that the hammer doesn't slide off, and then you're all set. There you go. I put the side screws in, so now the hammer is solid and won't go anywhere. All right, let's test it out with the charger. Oh, the satisfaction, that click was just nice. That actually looks like Thor's hammer. I have one actually at home. Let's see the comparison. I told you guys, I have the hammer at home, and look at how similar this looks. Obviously, this one's a little used, but this looks beautiful. Looks same design pattern. Look at how clean and organized it now looks in my garage. Love the product. Here is the second product that I'll be installing today on my car. It's a Model 3 dashboard from Teslogic, but this one is different from the ones that you usually see in Model 3s and Model Ys. It will go right here, but it will be using my phone that I'm currently filming with. And it's got a lot of different features that are integrated with the Tesla. So let me show you how to install it. I just finished filming the videos for the installation. I did it in a vertical format, so you can go check it out on my Instagram or my TikTok. But what I did is basically took all of this off, plugged in the module that I got from Teslogic, and then installed right over there a little magnet that goes for my phone so I can use the product. So I just installed it and tried it out. Obviously, I'll know more in the future, but let me show you what I figured out already. So it has multiple different pages. This one I think is the main screen, similar to what you have on your screen here, but instead you have it in front of your steering wheel, which is nice. Then if you swipe to the right, you have the map, the Google Maps. Also really cool to have in the front of your steering wheel. Then if you swipe to the left, you have data on your car at all times, which is really interesting to have. Swipe a little bit more. Probably my favorite screen right now. I just installed it, like I said, but this one tells you how much horsepower you're using. Right here it tells you your 0 to 60, your quarter mile. Really cool. And then how much power you have and the battery temperature. So this is awesome if you want a little bit more data, especially on a Model 3 Performance. It's cool to really see the performance of the car. So the 90% available power is not my battery percentage, but how much power I'm actually getting. And I got 3.39060, with cold tires.
Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end of the video. Drop in the comments what you think about them. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase them. And if you made it all the way here, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.